I'll show you how you can generate many invoices at a time using your own customized template and populate it using your own data stored in Excel, just like this one or with any other format you have. So first thing we are gonna do is we go to CSV link and we create our own template. Right now I just have mine created, so I'll go ahead and link my Excel data to this template. Let me remove the connection. So starting from scratch, I'll go here, load data. I'll go find the folder in which I have my data, which is this one. I can skip this because I do not need to group my data. Skip. And then for each field, like for this one, this is the date. I click on it, click here, and then I can choose any column header I have in the Excel data file. In this case, I'm going to use date. I already did the same for each one of the fields here I want to link. So I'll just go ahead and export a zip file. I wait a few seconds and here I get the export. I need to extract this file. And in here, you see it, a PDF file was created for each one of the rows in my Excel. I open it and here it is. Let me zoom out. Here it is. So I have one for each row. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, if it was helpful, please consider leaving a like and see you guys in the next time.